What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. PlayerUnknown's Battleground is one of the most fun games I've played in a really long time. It is also one of the hottest games on the PC and now the Xbox One. You have 100 players on one map at the same time, all trying to attack each other and take each other out. You can also work in squads or teams of 4. And it, like I said, is a really fun game. And I'm gonna give you the first 5 things you should do to make sure you stay alive and possibly win the game. Now, as the game starts, the very first thing that you'll see is you'll be inside of an airplane and you'll need to parachute down to find a good place to loot. And you're probably gonna say, well, I don't know, where's a good place to loot? The best places I've found to loot is where it's heavily populated. I mean, there's tons of buildings and houses that you can go into and look through. So try to find a place on the map, and you can zoom in if you need to, where there are tons of houses and buildings. Now that you found this area where there's a lot of buildings and houses, you wanna go inside these buildings and houses to look for weapons, accessories, and armor, and also for shelter to keep yourself safe. So make sure when you go in here, you look through every single room, because you never know what that room might have for you inside. There could be an awesome gun, there could be a really good armor, and it's all leveled out too. A lot of the armor, you'll see levels 1, 2, and 3, 3 being the best. And then also the guns, they're all different as well. Some are fire shots at one at a time, some are multi, some are good, some are bad. There's handguns, there's all kinds of guns in this, and it makes for a very enjoyable time. Now that you've found guns, armor, and accessories, the next thing you want to do is look out for enemies. Enemies can come out from anywhere. They can come from behind you, front of you, side of you, left of you, and that's the beauty of this game, is that this huge, big map. And if you keep yourself in a house, especially in the beginning, or a building, you're gonna be able to see them before they see you. And also, if you do go outside, make sure you always look left, right, back, center, and also listen to your hearing. If you hear something on the left earbud, that means they're on the left, or on the right, they're on the right. So just make sure you listen, you look, so that you can see. Next up would be pay attention to the map. The map gets smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. So when you jump from that plane, initially after a few minutes, you're gonna see that it's gonna be a circle that you're in, or maybe you're not in, and you wanna get to that circle. But you don't wanna go to that circle too soon. What I like to do is go to that circle almost towards the end of the time running out, so that I get into the circle and I'm not, just a sitting duck. I'm in that circle eventually, but I'm not there with everybody else, so I can loot, but then get in that circle before time runs out. And if time does start to run out, you're gonna start to lose energy. And if you start to lose energy, you either wanna run as fast as you can and not do anything else until you're inside that circle, or you wanna look for a vehicle to get you to that circle even faster. And then lastly, the objective of this game, kill. So you wanna go into that circle, you wanna take out those enemies, you wanna win the game, and ultimately you can win as a squad or you can win as a individual. So it's a very fun game. There's so much to it. There's strategic things, there's just going out and balls out and just shooting out if you want to, but ultimately it's a really fun game. It doesn't have good reviews. If you look at the reviews, they're actually pretty bad. It's a little buggy at times, but ultimately it's a really enjoyable, fun game. So guys, thanks for watching. If you want to pick up this game, I'll link it in the description down below. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And also, if you have any good tips, leave them down below in the comments. I'll see you down the road. Peace.